Hello everyone. So this is the third video of my Oxford series, and in this video I'm going to explore University Church of Oxford, which is one of the first building adopted as part of Oxford University. And if you could see the tower in front of me, that is part of the Oxford University Church and one of the highest tower in Oxford city. So we are going to climb that one today, and the church tour is free, and you have to pay like £5 or £10 for the tower tour. So let's go and explore. So if you're coming from Radcliffe, there's a small passage called the St. Mary's Passage that takes you to the front of uh, Oxford Church front gate, or towards the High Street. The street in front of me is name is called High Street, and church is just on the left hand side of mine. Let me go across the street to show you the church. The weather is really beautiful today, really pleasant. Here we go. This is the front gate of the church, and you can see that beautiful architecture. And those lovely ancient or historical buildings across the street. These buildings really give a character to the Oxford city. You can imagine yourself in being in a Harry Potter movie or something. You know, those spires, those buildings, those beige color stone and buildings, really lovely. Let's go inside the church now. So here I am inside the church, and if you could see those high ceilings, those are really lovely. I really love high ceilings and these massive interior spaces. Really beautiful, isn't it? I still have 5 minutes to my tower tour, so I'm just exploring inside the church. So it's almost time for my tower tour. So to climb the tower, you have to pass through the Oxford University Church gift shop, and it's just inside the church. And if you could see that small gate, here we go. So I'm just passed through that small gate. It seems nice. It's like the wooden stairs taking us to the top of the tower. So they only allow 6 to 7 people in one tour. I would say, like when I say one tour, that is like for a 20 minutes window. They will only allow 7 people to go to the for the tower tour, and it's a one-way tour. So you can just go up and then come down from the same stairways. So that's the reason they're just doing 10 or 7 people at a time for 20 minutes window. Here we are. So this is a ringing chamber or the clock chamber of the tower. You could see this moving part of the clocks. Okay, this part of the stair is looking a little interesting. It's looking a little historic though. No wooden stairways anymore. It's like the stone stairways and little suffocating as well. There's only one person climbing at a time, and there are like four people behind me, and then two people in front of me. And you can just climb one way. You have to just go up. You cannot stop. You can stop though, but you cannot stop. You have to keep moving because people behind you. Really small space. So, almost there. I can see the light coming out of the tower door. Here we are. Almost there. Here we are. Wow. It's really rewarding, climbing the tower. Though the towers are not that demanding, and you don't have to be super fit, but it's really rewarding climb. It's such a beautiful landscape. You can see the entire Oxford city, those beautiful colleges, Oxford spires.
The last end. It should be here.
See it.
It's probably
I
that
see
quad.
Exeter.